Welcome YouTube, Marcus Zara here with another video, and I'm on CoinGecko.com currently looking at this beautiful market cap that we officially hit the other day, which is $1 trillion as a whole in this cryptocurrency space, which is fantastic. So it's very important to protect your profits, right? You should be all thinking, if you got into Bitcoin before the all-time highs, right? Especially if you got into Bitcoin under $20,000, you all should have a stop limit in place, right? If you don't have a stop limit loss in place, I can show you exactly how to do that. The exchange I'm using to do that is Binance.us. I'm gonna have my link below so you guys could use the link to sign up, and this is only for United States residents. You can't go to Binance.com because it won't work. Because the IP I just blocked. So Binance made a specific exchange for United States residents, which is Binance.us. So with that said, use the link below. You use the link. It's free account to sign up, so there's no charges for that. Okay, moving on. So now what I'm going to do is quickly show you guys how to do this. So for example, I do have Bitcoin. So I'm gonna go to the Bitcoin markets by clicking on BTC, and the current altcoin I'm looking at is BChain, BET ticker symbol. So I'm gonna click on BET, go to this market, and show you guys how to place a stop limit. So you got two ways you could do this. You could do this by using a stop limit for the buy side or for the sell side, right? I'm gonna show you guys both ways how to do it. So buy, sell. So I'm gonna go ahead and go buy for green. Then I'm gonna click on stop limit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and copy this limit price, right? The limit price is the current price of VeChain right now, which is 68 satoshis, which represents 0.027616 cents for the price. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this because I don't want to write out these zeros again for my stop price. And I'm gonna just go ahead and hit paste. It just prevents errors, right, for all these zeros right here. So so this is my stop. So let's figure this out. So for example, say for example VeChain's at 68 satoshis. I think the value of VeChain will increase. I believe this is a great entry point, but I feel like I want to see some momentum going up to the upside, right? So for my stop, I can put my stop at, let's say, 70 satoshis, and then I can put my limit at, let's say 71, right? Let's keep this nice and tight. I'm actually make this a little bit tighter. So I'm gonna want my stop to be at 69 satoshis. And then I want to get in at a limit price of 71 satoshis, right? So that represents 0.028835. And then the amount, I can just use this scale right here, which goes left to right, and put it at 100%. And that will get me my full amount because I have $64 in my crypto in my Binance account. So that represents 100%, which is going to give me 2,259 VeChain, right? So I'm going to hit buy VeChain. This is an order confirmation page. So yes, my stop will be at 69 satoshis. I will buy my VeChain at 71 satoshis, and I'm going to get this amount of VeChain at this current price of BTC, which represent 100%, which is $64. So I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm. And now it's in this open order section. So if I want to cancel this out, I can, right? I can make this multiple times with no fees, right? There's no fees associated with this, right? I could do this as many times as I want, hit cancel, and then I'm not going to be charged for this. I will only be charged for this execution if it were to hit my my stop limit at 69, and then I'll be able to, then it'll hit the price at 71, and then my order will execute, and Binance will get their little fee for that. So that's how you do a stop limit on the buy side. So now on the sell side, this is in reverse, right? Go to stop limit, and now my stop, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this because I don't want to write all these zeros and get an error. Just makes it more simpler for me as well. So my stop. So for example, let's say I got in at VeChain at 70 satoshis, and let's say I'm in profit zone, right? So let's say VeChain goes up again and it's currently at 90 Satoshis, right? So it's at 90 Satoshis, so I'm profitable, right? I'm profitable because I got in at 72 Satoshis. Now it's up at 90 Satoshis, right? This is my profit zone, right? I'm flying high a little bit. So I want to protect myself, right? If, just in case the market crash or something were to happen or I'm busy, I don't want to monitor this myself. This is like an automatic feature to use, right? Using the stop limit. So for example, my stop will be, let's say my stop will be at 89, right? Let's say VeChain, for example, is trading at 90 Satoshis. I will put my stop at 89 Satoshis. And then I will put this at for my limit to sell everything at, let's make this nice and tight at 88 Satoshis, right? And I want to sell 100% of this. It's not going to populate because I never bought VeChain yet, so that's why it's showing 0. But if I put that 100%, then my if I were to buy VeChain at 72 Satoshis, I would have what, about 2,000 VeChain. So I'll be selling all my VeChain, 2,000 of it, 100% of it, and I'll just hit sell. It'll be on an open order book, and then if my stop hits 89, right? If the price is dropping, it hits 89, and then it drops below 89 again, and it hits my limit at 88, my order will execute. I will be out of the trade, and my profits will be secured, right? Especially now in these markets, especially with Bitcoin, right? This is very easy thing to do, and the safest and smart thing to do. And so you can get profits and reinvest those profits so you can buy the dip and continue the cycle, right? That's in theory how we all want it to work. So that's how you do a stop limit, stop loss on Binance. This applies to any exchange. If exchange offer this, not all exchanges offer a stop limit option. And yeah, that's it, guys, for this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Check the comments for that link so you guys get your Binance.us account as well for free. And that's it, guys. Mark Azar to the next video.